Thanks for taking this course. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, you might also be interested in one of the other Udemy courses I teach. I currently have 13 other courses on Udemy on topics like computer programming, web development, game development, and information technology. Here is a quick summary on each of my other courses. Feel free to look them up on Udemy and watch the free preview videos to see if they are the right fit for you. Computer Programming for Beginners. This course will teach you the basics of programming using Python and JavaScript. Learn the basic concepts used in computer programming, create basic programs using Python and JavaScript, and get hands-on, step-by-step experience writing code. This course is meant to introduce people who have no programming experience to the world of computer science. With the tech industry becoming one of the most trending fields in the job market, learning how to program can be one of the most important and meaningful skills. This course will teach the basic, foundation concepts of programming in an easy-to-follow manner. Beginner's Guide to Information Technology. This best-selling Udemy course will teach you the basics of information technology and computer engineering. By the end of this course, you will be able to identify the parts of a computer, the basics of what they do, and their role in the system. Understand computer networking basics and explain what happens when a URL is typed into a search bar. Use the terminal or command line to navigate a file hierarchy and perform basic operations on files. Use web proxy software to intercept packets and analyze requests and responses. Explain key technical concepts to interviewers and add these skills to your resume. Mastering IntelliJ IDEA and Android Studio. This course will make you more productive and teach you how to get the most out of IntelliJ IDEA and Android Studio. In this course, you will learn the keyboard shortcuts and menu option navigation that will make your coding quicker and more effective. You will learn how to code faster and more effectively using IntelliJ IDEA and Android Studio. Obtain knowledge of the tips, tricks, and techniques to make you a more efficient programmer. By the end of this course, you will have mastery of both IntelliJ IDEA and Android Studio, as the course covers nearly every aspect of both IDEs. HTML and CSS Masterclass. This course is the ultimate HTML and CSS bootcamp. Do you want to learn how to build websites and obtain a set of web development skills that you can use to make real money? This course will give you a solid foundation and mastery of HTML and CSS, along with Bootstrap and XHTML. HTML and CSS are the foundation of every web page and web application. Many other languages and frameworks depend on having a solid foundation in HTML and CSS. This course is going to teach you the step-by-step process of web development using HTML and CSS. Building a Super Smash Bros. Fighting game in Unity. Did you grow up playing Super Smash Bros? Are you a fan of classic Nintendo characters? This course is meant to teach you how to build a full fighting game in Unity, even if you are a beginner or have never used Unity before. By the end of this course, you will have a full Super Smash Bros. Style game in Unity that you built from the ground up. You will learn how to develop and animate the following 9 classic characters: Mario, Donkey Kong, Captain Falcon, Bowser, Ice Climbers, Link, Samus, Pikachu, and Sonic. Build a full Super Smash Bros. Fighting game using C# and the Unity game engine. Write code to create enemy AI that intelligently fight the player. Learn how fighting games are built in Unity and how the different tools in Unity can be applied to build an exciting, combat-oriented game experience. This course will take your game development and C# skills to the next level using professional, object-oriented game programming techniques. Fundamentals of Information Technology. This course is the follow-up to my best-selling Beginner's Guide to Information Technology course. It is packed with tons of useful information that you can use to land a job in information technology. In this course, you will learn how to start a career in IT, including resume writing and interview prep, the parts of a computer, how they come together to make the computer work, and what each part does, trending industry topics like databases, computer networking, network security, types of programming languages, web requests and responses, and more. This course also includes a 24-page comprehensive course review sheet, resume template, cover letter template, and interactive course quiz. Python graphics programming and game development. This course is meant for the aspiring game developer or anyone that wants to learn Python programming in a fun way. In this course, you will master Python programming basics by creating digital art through Python code, programming video games in Python, and developing basic graphics creation programs using Python to build digital art tools. If you want to work as a game programmer or technical artist, taking this course will teach you the skills you need to build a portfolio of work to showcase to potential employers, and will take your Python programming skills to the next level. Computer Programming for Beginners Level 2. This course is the follow-up course to my most popular course on Udemy, Computer Programming for Beginners. This course directly builds on your Python and JavaScript skills and teaches you the intermediate and advanced material. In this course, you will build hands-on skills in Python and JavaScript, learn about data structures and collections in Python and JavaScript, understand lists, arrays, tuples, dictionaries, sets, and data structures, and how they are used in computer programming, use PyCharm and Visual Studio Code, two industry tools that are free, create user interfaces, and write computer AI programs using Python and JavaScript. Learn how to think like a computer programmer and code computer programs, focus on practical skills, and learn by doing in this fun, beginner-friendly approach. Building a car racing game in Unity using C#. This course is my other latest Udemy course, and will teach you how to build a car racing game similar to Need for Speed from the ground up in Unity using C#. In this course, you will build a full car racing game using C# and the Unity game engine, learn advanced Unity physics techniques, specifically how to simulate driving, handling, and crashing cars realistically in a game, understand how to code enemy AI that race the player, create stunning UI displays including a mini-map, speed tracker, and car stats heads-up display, design levels and tracks hands-on to assemble stunning, AAA quality game environments, work on game polish as we perfect driving mechanics, real-time lighting, and controls, take your game development and C# skills to the next level using professional object-oriented game programming techniques, and learn techniques that you can use to create a professional quality game development portfolio piece. By the end of this course, you will have a full game project you developed from the ground up. You will also have some more C# tips and tricks that you can add to your arsenal. Building a Snackman arcade-style game in Unity. This course teaches you how to build a Pac-Man clone game from the ground up. In this course, you will build a full Dot Eater classic arcade-style game using Unity and C#, learn how to create a fully playable animated character using Unity, develop enemy pathfinding AI logic that lets enemies chase the player through the maze, create power-ups that give the user bonus points and let the user eat enemies for a short period of time, code a scoring system that keeps track of high score across play sessions, take your game development and C# skills to the next level using professional object-oriented game programming techniques, write a progressive level system, create an animated cutscene using Unity's animation tools like the Animator and Timeline Editor. By the end of this course, you will have a full game project that you developed from the ground up. Beginner's Guide to Editor Scripting in Unity. This course will teach you how to maximize your potential using the Unity editor. By using the techniques taught in this course, you will speed up your development time and customize your Unity workflow. You will learn how to make Unity user-friendly to your preferences, techniques, and workflows. In this course, you will learn how to make tools in Unity, take full advantage of the power of Unity, speed up your game development process, understand how asset store tools are created, and get knowledge of industry standard techniques. Ultimate Guide to Debugging in Unity. Do you get frustrated when you run into errors in your code? Do you spend countless hours staring at your computer, only to find that you made a small oversight that broke your code? This course will teach you tips, tricks, and techniques that will help you approach debugging in a strategic manner. No more guess and check or random deletion of buggy parts of code. You will be able to precisely narrow down the cause of an issue and fix it. This course will teach you how to save time by speeding up your debugging workflow using step-by-step techniques. Unity 2D Platformer Game Development. This course will teach you how to create a 2D platformer game. It will teach you exciting features of Unity such as the tile map and timeline editor tools. These features allow developers to develop 2D games quicker and more effectively. This course is geared towards beginners, but it is a great choice for any Unity developer looking to learn how to use Unity's tools and features to build 2D platformer games. We will build a splash screen, animated cutscene, playable third-person character, artificially intelligent enemies, in-game collectibles, and a 2D level. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I wish you the best of luck in your programming endeavors.